Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here from the NSWTrains Logs channel. Just central standing on platforms 2 and 3. And over here on platform 2 we have rattlers set F1 down there. Now, those rattlers were all drawn by 1993 here. So I'm just going to try, I'm going to have a look inside the train. See how it looks. So the carriage is 7396. And this carriage was these trains were 86 years old.
Yep.
Old, and now I'm going to take a look inside 7396. And there's an Endeavour set 8, which I've just got off. Now, here's FL220, what a nuisance. And here's one of the special trains. And now we're going to be going inside C3218. Here's something on there. He's 3218. Sorry, just got someone just accidentally walked into the way, so sorry about that. So this carriage is C3218, 88 years old. Now, let's go and have a look inside. Now, as I told you, all the rattlers were withdrawn from service by 1993 and they were replaced by my favourite train, the Tangara. Now, right now, so, something's going up. Here's a steam locomotive, and now I'm going to look at carriage T4527. I'm on board 4527. And here's the old Sydney rail system here. So this is well, that's a bit of a bonus. He's 4527, and he's another one of those. One of the carriages. Those trains are owned by a cockatoo around here, so now in the other carriage, C3426. Now, 3426 was one of the first rattler carriages to be on board the hard race, and here's an updated version. Here's this carriage 3426. It's 85 years old. Now I'm going to have a look inside. Now, 3426 was the first train to, as I told you, they were bought in service since until at least 1993, when they were replaced by my favourite train, the Tangara. And here's a look at the other side. E6 is the rear four carriages of the Endeavour. The front half was E8. And here's F1 down there. And here's the famous Southern Aurora. Here is the Southern Aurora which is already on platform number 3. Now, on July 8, 1969, the train was involved in a massive accident. I don't want to get into any details, but this train was involved in a serious accident which composes of at least a few of its carriages, which is very, very sad. So, he's 3642, which is on platform 2. And there's another steam loco on platform 1. I'm also on the hunt for STV Sydney Trains logs and Transport for New South Wales logs. I've been watching these video logs since last year, and they appear to be quite really intriguing here. So I'm going to try to get into the front of the train. As I say, he's 3642, and he's 3237 on platform 1. I think both those trains will run the straight steam train race, which unfortunately I won't be able to be around for that because I have to get back home. So it's right now. So gonna walk up to the front of this train where there are 2 diesel locomotives. Whoa! 3237, just on Twizzle up high. Now, I'm going to walk up to the front of those diesel heritage lists. Now, the diesel trades in front are 44.90, I believe it is, and 40.01. Yeah, it's 44.90 and 40.01. These, I think the marking of the front of the train is PEA 40.96. And here's 4001. 4001. And here's 4490. So I'm going to take a look. As I said, I'm going to take a look around. See anything like that. Okay, here's both trains. Now here's both steam locomotives. 3237 and 3642. Now, I think both trains are due to leave very. I think both steam trains are due to be very shortly. Endeavour leaving platform 4. That's the train I got off. E6 and E8 leaving platform 4. Empty train. Yeah, E6 and E8 leaving platform 4. Empty train. So I'm going to take a closer look at 3642. The trains are 3237 on platform 1, and he's 3642 on platform 2. Platform 2. They're both going to go to Clyde, I think both trains are heading to either Strathfield or Clyde, I'm not sure. But they're going to run the Green Steam Train race. Here's a closer look at one of the locomotives, 3642. Here it is. Now, I feel at least 4 months. My last video log was actually 4 months ago when I did the Southwest Rail Link opening day. If anyone wants to put some requests in it, please put in the comment section below. But the next trip, I'll try to do Parramatta next, which will probably be likely to be my next destination. But I'll try to do as many as I can. Okay, alright, that's a promise for you all. Here's another look at F1. And there's a V-Sat on platform 5. Don't know what the set is. MFS 2028, Cockatoo Run, 3801 Limited. I'm going to take another look at what a nuisance, which is FL220. I'm going to try to do a log at. Well, I'm going to try and do a log at platform 16 to 23 when I can. Yeah, here's what a nuisance, which is FL220. Which is they named all the FLs. They named those. Steam locomotive 3642 is going to leave at 9:51, which I believe is going to go to Clyde. Then I'm going to have a look at on platform 111. Train on platform 1 is going to depart in 39 minutes. It is HL203. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this one up for the moment. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, channel, favorite video, and I'll be back here and I'll do another vlog later. Thanks, bye.